Heading fishing. Micheal Lake. It snowed. Third pull of the net.
Trailer with skills.
Yeah.
Right.
The road. We're heading to the cabins. Micheal Lake. Traveling down the road still to the cabins. We made it to the cabins. Right around that corner. Oh, it's rough a little bit. Oh yeah, all cleaned up. Uncle Harvey Chambuad right there. We made it to the Micheal Lake now. We're gonna set the nets. We'll bring you guys along. That's it. If you never came to Micheal, we'll bring you along. We'll show you the lake. We're gonna set a net. Hopefully we get some fish. Yeah, we're gonna stay one night there, and Dustin's staying here. Yeah, I'll be driving this machine. There's Sam. Oh, all right, we'll go set a net. We'll bring you guys along. We put a cigarette down before we get on the ice. Minus 18. We're gonna go down there and set a net. Oh, just past that island right there. Yeah. We're going fishing. We'll bring you guys along. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope it encourages you also. Yeah. There's Jill, the Micmac. All right, we're heading out. We'll go past that island. All right, we come from over there, and these two islands that we've seen here. Never go in between these two islands, always on this side. There's like overflow here. So we'll go on this side of the island, we'll head Jackfish Point's over there. Right over there is Jackfish Point. And we'll set our net halfway through there. From Jackfish Point to this island here, always stay on this side of the island. On the left side of the island. Alright, we'll head over there, we'll set the net. Alright folks, welcome back. We're out in Micheal Lake again. We're going to set the nets. We're going to bring you along. Hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned, we're ready to get the jigger out, and we're going to put a new net in. Alright, we'll get started. We're gonna drill a hole first, and we're gonna put a 100-yard net in. We'll bring you along. Hope the video is educational and encourages you to set your own net. Alright, we're gonna get started.
Party, my girl.
Okay.
We're back, folks. Outdoors with Mike.
Yeah.
We're back to setting the gill net. We're continuation. And we found the jigger right here. Come take a look.
Dustin found the jigger. Just so you guys learn how. I hope this video is educational.
You can see orange.
Yeah, right there.
The jigger's painted orange.
Right there. Clean that one.
Not too deep down.
Oh yeah, you can see that orange.
We'll get it drilled out, cleaned out, and then we'll pull it out.
Yeah.
Pull the net back through.
This one here. That one's dark. And over here's the jigger right there. Yeah. Oh. Okay. All right, we were over there. We jigged from over there. We got our net. We'll tie our net over there, and then we'll pull it through here. Jill, Dustin, Kirsten. Over there, they're fishing down there by Jackfish Point. The look of the lake, overcast. It was sunny, and then the cloud rolled in from the north, and the sun's somewhere around there. Yeah, all right. There's that island there. The new cabins are going down there. All right, here is the look of the lake, and we put the Lord first and thank Him for bringing us out here. We'll continue on and we'll bring the net through. Alrighty. All right, we got the net set up. We got a new net there from Ontario. Thank you, Lord, again. And Kirsten's with us. Yeah, and Dustin, we're gonna guide the net in so it doesn't wreck. We managed to get the jigger in, and the jigger's over there. Jill's gonna pull the net over there. Yeah, we can hear about where he is with the skidoo, and it was way over there. All right, we got a skidoo there. Yeah, bringing you guys along. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll get the net in. That's next step, folks. Look at the lake again. Yeah, Dustin's on that side, feeding the net in. We're gonna pull the net through. There. Yeah, she's going through already. Dustin's feeding it through. Oh, that's just a breaking through right there. Oh, I'll zoom in for you guys. Sorry. There. Yeah, we're getting through the net. It's going in, boys. Whoa, good. Right there, came through. There, see? All right, we'll take off the line. Right here. Alrighty. We'll get it all done up and we'll head back to the cabins. Yeah. Having fun? Yeah. Jill down there. Jill's coming. Oh, the lights are working. It's getting kind of dark. Not too bad though. Just overcast so far. It's about maybe 4 o'clock. Alright folks, that concludes the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. We put one net in and it's time to head back and we'll give you a look around. Hope that video was educational and encourages you to go fishing also. Thank you. Bye for now. Jill and I, we hit we hit overflow here. Another thing, it's always good to get rubber boots with insoles. It's a must when you go fishing. If you look all the way from over there, look, I'm just in the you can just walk in there, walk in snow, you won't get cold. Rubber boots with insoles. Yeah, all right, we'll pull it out. Okay, try it. Jill's gonna give a shot at it. Yeah, right there. Ha! Go, go, go. Whoa! Haha! Good! Wow, nice. Yeah, we'll bring that stuff over. We'll make a trail here. It should freeze overnight. Alrighty. Yeah, we'll get the sleigh hooked up. Heading to the cabins out that way. Yeah. Garlic bread, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Sam.
That fish, you call it.
Look, it's all fixed up in here. There's,
that kind he laid.
Nice job.
Ralph got
Up there.
Claude call it poor man's
Nice. Even got a light there and a plug in there.
He bought.
Awesome.
But you know how to skin that?
Yummy. Look at that, folks. Fresh jackfish. Oh, give it a turn. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Trader. Also. Thank you, Abel, too. Awesome. Look at that sizzle. Jackfish. There's the sauce and spices. Little. Oh. Foggy there from that heat. A little bit of splash of each spices, your favorite spices. Seasoning with some flour, regular flour. And here's the jackfish fillet. A little bit of liver and we washed it also. It's gonna be delicious. I filleted one jack. There's liver in there and a little bit of fish eggs. Traditional, we'll have some. Look at that. Look at that. Again, hope this video is educational. Fried fish, always good to have fried fish. A lot of iron in it for you.